Oh, what you want, buddy? Hi, lucky dog. Huh? What you want? Hang on. Huh, I can get it chewed. It's good. Chew it up. Chew it. Booger booger. My buddy. Hey. My buddy. Lucky dog. Hello. I'll turn the light on. Everybody can see you now. You know what? Too bright for you. I love you. I love old Lucky. I love old Lucky dog. My buddy. I ain't gonna scratch your ears. I know they're balding. I seen you scratching that a while ago. I need to put some medicine in it again. Some more Vaseline. Another one. I didn't give you much of that. I don't want to ball your stomach. I need one more. You like him, don't you? Where you going? Little buddy. It's a... He must not like that, and he spit it out. Give him one of them Jolly... No, not Jolly Ranchers, or gummies. Starburst gummies. He likes it. Candy, I don't give him but a piece or two here and there. Don't want it to bother him. Just cracks me. He's chewed that nut pretty good. Come here. Come here. You my buddy. You my buddy. Love you. Love you, Lucky. You a good boy, ain't you? Huh? Alrighty. I'll quit recording you there. Surprised Tiny ain't been in here since he heard me talking to you. Face, here, give me that old beard. He's got that silver down under his chin right there. Got silver coming in, or gray, it ain't silver, coming in over his eyes and under his chin. Getting a little age on you, ain't you, old boy? Huh? Ain't you, old boy? You still a good boy, ain't you? You still like arguing with that old bulldog next door, don't you? Huh? Run him up and down the road, or up the fence, I mean. Good boy. Alrighty, I'll quit recording you. Love you, Lucky. Lucky. Lucky dog. Lucky got up on the couch, gonna take him a nap. I'm gonna shine that light right in your eyes, makes your eyes light up. There you go. Old big boy. Trying to look for your place to nap or something to eat. You eat all the time. I know you ain't hungry. Well, you found something, didn't you? Tater chip crumb. I'll turn that off by your eyes. I'm sorry. I'll let you sleep. Okay? I'll let you sleep. Big boy. Love you. Good night, Lucky. Take a nap. Got to petting Tiny, and he got up here and laid down. He laid down, I know what he was wanting. When he kept squirming around, he was going to get on his back and want me to pet his belly. Scratch his belly like that. Because he's squirming around, trying to make him a place to lay down inside the recliner. Ain't you, Tiny? My buddy. Grunting like a pig. He was snoring earlier, laying at the foot of the couch with my mom. He was snoring as loud as if it's been somebody laying there. Which he does that when, I guess, cars or anything, or cars. Got sidetracked, sorry. He got quiet for a minute. I thought Lucky was gonna come up here too. But he was laying, like I said, at the end of my mom's feet, and he was snoring. Sounded like somebody was laying there snoring. Had one video, I think I had it in one, that I recorded him snoring, but I didn't get to that time. That time trim his nails again. It ain't too bad yet. I keep up with him about, I don't know, about once a month maybe. Not trying to do it too much time this month. But anyway, that's what he's wanting to do, watch him. He just keeps easing over a little farther on his back. Yeah, you. Woo. Woo. I ain't gonna leave that camera. You smear it. We'll be able to see you. Tell them hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi, YouTube. Big boy. My buddy. Lucky to go to sleep. Lucky we're in the dark and sleep can't see him. We're dark anyway. Oh, tiny boy. Alrighty. I'll quit balling you, Tiny. Everybody have a good one. Bye-bye. Buddy, getting hot. You gotta go pee. I'm lucky he's listening now, ain't he? You gotta go pee? Bathroom. Huh? Is that what you want? Hey, talking to you. Booger booger. Where you want, Lucky? Come here, Lucky. Hey. Come here. Come here. Hey, Lucky. Look at me. Hey. You gotta go outside? You gotta go? No? You said yeah once. You shook your head, yeah? Lucky. Hey. You gotta go out? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna lay this camera down. I'm right behind you. I'll be right back, everybody. Doing? Lucky, or Tiny, I mean. You gonna go to the bathroom? Huh? Where's Lucky? Oh, what that noise was? Come on, boy. Lucky. Come on. Come on, boy. I see you standing there. Kind of dark, hard to see him out here. I'll be back in a minute. Lucky dog. What you doing, boy? You napping? Dog, something else. We're taking him a nap. He's had a hard day today. Hey, boy. I'm talking about you. Stretch it out. Love you, buddy. Take your nap. I'll quit bothering you. Good night, buddy.